How to solder a wire in fast and easy for the electronics hobby. Subscribe for more videos. A soldering iron is a tool that looks very simple to use, but is it? Well, actually it is simple to use it when you know what you are doing. This article will guide you with some important rules when you build an electronic circuit. Just follow these rules and you can be sure that you will use it correctly. 1. Step. Always clean the head of the soldering iron tool before using it. You can clean the head with a special wet sponge that you can buy at every electronics hardware store. Cleaning the head of the soldering tool removes any flux or other unwanted materials from the head. 2. Step. Put some solder over the head of the tool. 3. Step. If you solder two wires together, you must first solder them separately until they are both covered with soldering at the edge of the wire. After this step, you can connect the two wires together and place the soldering head on them until the solder melts and connects them together. 4. Step. If you solder a pin of an electronic component on a printed circuit board, you should place the head of the soldering tool in a way that it touches both the board and the pin of the component for 2 seconds until they are both hot. The next step is adding soldering wire at the connection point of the soldering tool, component's pin and the board. Wait for another 2 seconds until the solder covers the pin and touches the board. Quickly move the solder tool away. You can find pictures and demonstration movies at the website listed below. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.